Hey there guys, got another lock here for you today. This one's going to be a dimple lock. Yeah, it says President on the lock body, professional lock. On the side it says top padlock. Yeah, there's a look at the keyway. As you can tell, it's a dimple lock. Give you a look at the key. On the bow of the key it says President and President on the back side of the bow of the key. So here's a look at the key. And you can pick this lock a variety of ways. The first way, I'm going to use a pick out of the Clom Navigator set. Some of you guys have seen this before. It's got the green handle on it. And I'll be using the Z tool that came out of the Southward Dimple pick set. This lock is fairly easy. You can almost pick it with just the tension tool itself, because the tension tool will start to move on you inside the keyway and grab the pins. So it takes a little bit to get some room in the keyway to work. I'm going to try to rake it open here. Oh, there it goes. Slipped off my tension wrench, but oh well. So, there it is, raked open. Close it back up here. So there's the Clom. And if you don't have that, you can use a small half diamond from your Southward set, or from whatever pick set you use to pick open pin tumbler locks. Yeah, or you could probably use a large half diamond also. This one takes a little more finessing, but you can get it. Go in there, get underneath the pins, rotate your pick. Yeah. And get your pick stuck on camera. I have not got this pick stuck before. There we go. Tension wrench, like I said, slips around. Makes it kind of difficult. Come on, baby. This lock it's great for beginners, but once you get past it, it'd be a lot more funner if the lock body was a little bit bigger and tolerances were maybe a little bit better. Let's see what's going on here. It's that tension wrench wants to slide over. Get your pins. And it robs you of what you're supposed to be filling with your pick. This lock's got 4 pins in it, by the way. Oh, thought I had it. There we go. Has semi single pin picking with the Southward half diamond. There it is, picked open again. And this lock is a bear to close. Don't know why. And you can also use, if you happen to have the Goso set or dimple locks, you could use that. Got a Southward set, so using this pick right here, yeah, and that's from the Southward Dimple pick set. Get my tension wrench out of the way. Tension wrench likes to slide around in there. Like I said, we'll bump up against the pins and you'll lose all feeling. Can't feel what's going on at all. Nope, thought I had it. There we go. Now it's picked up on the Southward Dimple pick. So, yeah, it's a good lock to learn on. I don't have any Dimple locks. I think Master makes a padlock that has a Dimple keyway, but it can be hard to come by. It might be over in Europe, something like that. But this is the President, and it's from Top Padlock. Yeah. Like I said, yeah, if you can get the Master lock that's got the Dimple keyway, that might be a little bit more, tolerances might be a little bit more tighter and might be able to have a little bit more better feedback. But there it is, picked open. And you guys have this set here. This is what happened to my sober pick set, one of them, double-ended one. As you can see, it's missing one end, and it doesn't exist anymore. It went away, and the lock that ate it was this guy right here. Move some stuff out of the way. It was this guy right here, multi-lock, yeah, G47, and got my pick caught in there, and went to have it removed, and no more pick. So, you guys are picking these locks, and you got a Dimple pick set, or the tools from Sober or Saver, or however you pronounce that. You might want to throw in your kit, add to your kit, a broken key extractor, because it took using a broken key extractor to get the tip of the pick out. As I understand it, these picks will hang up quite easily in these locks. So, I don't know, I got another multi-lock here off camera, but I've always picked it using these picks. And some people say you're not supposed to, but, these picks don't get hung up as often as the other ones do. So, but I did get this guy into 2 or 3 false sets, and I'm pretty positive I can get him open. It's just going to require some more time, but more to come in the future, I guess. As always, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys are having a good one.